Do you want a cheap Jeep upgrade that's fast and fun to do? LEDs for the interior. Watch this. Howdy guys, I'm Jeepin' Jason. That's my helper Pinto back there. Now today, if you're watching this video in order of the videos on the AutoEdits channel, you guys had, or several people had, a freak out over an expensive item that I featured last time. So today I thought I'd go the other direction and do a $10 upgrade to the Jeep and see if we can make you guys happy there. Now this is actually kind of a fun one. I was turned on to this upgrade by my friend, we'll just call him Alienware Joe. You guys might know who that is. He actually told me about this LED upgrade for the inside of your Jeep. It's like less than 10 bucks on Amazon, or about $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to this, and it's just an assortment of LEDs that will replace the interior lights on your Jeep. Now this basic kit that I found has 4 of the larger LEDs, and then it has 5 of these kind of projector style LEDs, and I'll kind of run through where those are going to go in this Jeep. So we're going to start with the map lights first. Now these are the ones that have the switches here to turn on driver or passenger side right now, as you can see, because the doors had just opened, they're both on. So just put your screwdriver in here and then just gently give a twist, and that'll pry the front of that off. And then it literally just pulls the rest of the way off without much drama. And we'll set that aside. And then we'll go ahead and take these light bulbs. Oh! Those are hot. Yep, those are hot. Okay, let's improvise. Those weren't on that long. I was a little surprised at how hot those things are. Can I get them out? Ow, nope, they're too hot. So let's get some tape. Let's improvise here. Okay, we're back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a set of needle nose pliers, just wrap a little tape around the jaws of these to just help dull down some of the bite on here. And now let's see if these, there we go. Ow, that's hot. Pinto, here, hold. No, I wouldn't do that. Ow, ow, ow. Putting that down. All right, so there we go. So that trick worked. All right, so then we grab one of our lights and throw it in place. Pretty simple. One. Now, if they don't go on first time, they're polarity specific, so that just means you got to flip it over. So we'll just get this one in. There we go. There we go. We got lucky, got them both right first time. Piece of cake. And then we'll go ahead and put the cover back on, and same thing. Well, you do the opposite. You do the back first because it has the horizontal tabs, and then the vertical tabs here go this way, so you do the back and then the front. And that's it for this one. Those don't work at this particular moment, but you could actually tell from this particular point of view how it's a brighter, whiter light rather than the yellow of this style bulb. So that right there is kind of nice, and it is noticeably brighter in here, even though it's daytime while I'm doing this one. But I like this. Let's move to the back. Pinto, do you mind if I come back there with you? I don't think Pinto minds. All right, we're going to the back. Oh, hey, bud. Hi. All right, so this back one is even easier to pull off because you just pry on the side that the little push button is, and it just comes right out. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and venture a guess that that's hotter than crap. And it is. So we'll use our little special pliers to just pull this little guy out of here. Hey Pinto, is that supposed to do that? I don't think that's supposed to do that. Huh. Well, the light's out. Let's go ahead and replace the bulb. So we'll just go ahead and pull this thing out of here with our special pliers, and then we'll grab one of our special bulbs here with the little, and we'll aim that, of course, out. So let's see if we can reset the dome lights, and there you go. So that's how that will work. So then you just tuck it back up, and then you push these little tabs back into place. And that's it. Once it's pushed back up into place, you just stab these little tabs back into place. Then you put your little thing back on, and that should do it. Yeah, all right. You like that, Pinto? So there you go. I like that. Come on, Pins. Oh man, I know the Jeep is dirty. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash it soon because I have a lot of upgrades coming up because I have another big event coming up next week. I'm heading out to Colorado for I think it's called the Alpine Horizon event. It's a grid life festival style event. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I have a couple of more big upgrades before I even go on that. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna try to get those done as quick as I can. Now, to finish off this one, you'll see there's a bunch more LEDs left in the box here. Now that's because it would actually update the backup light. So the reverse, the white light inside your taillight, if you had a stock taillight, you would pull that off with these two Phillips here, open that up, put one of these inside of there, and it would also, now you notice I have my JW speaker lights back here. Wouldn't trade those for the world, so don't need that, already done. Plus it would also upgrade your license plate light as well with one of the little projector style ones there. But you notice I don't have that stock license plate thing. I have the metal cloak license plate relocation bracket and LED and third brake light back over there, so I don't need that either. So stay tuned, there's lots more coming up on the Jeep and a road trip, an off-road trip coming up. So please keep checking back for more, and until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna wash this thing. High five. Yeah, good girl. Oh, that's a good dog. All right, good girl.